see, is this filming? Yes. So, right now, let's see. Let's just start with the Tormenta, the gearbox. That's the thing that I wanted to do last time, but I didn't have the tools. But now I got them, so that means that I can start to do some machining. So yeah, let's get at it. Let's put some music and get at it. Let's go. So let's see. Okay, so this one, yeah, I can just put it like this and it's gonna stay in place. Right now, I still need to push it, okay? So this is really nice. Actually, it's better than expected. Then let's see, this one, it goes here inside. Okay. It's not all the way in, but just to show it, okay? And I still have clearance, okay? For the chain and for everything. So voila, that's how you do it. So after this one is going here, and then yeah, that's it. That's all. And in the cover, in the other side, in the cover I have a few more made too, so that's nice. Now I'm gonna jump to make this one for the engine. Yes. So let's go. So there we go. This one I make it from brass, okay? Why? Well, it was easier to cut them with aluminum, and I think yeah, you will not see it anyway. So who cares? You know, add the spare material, and that's it. So voila. That's the idea, okay, voila. Yes, I had this one, but the one that I had was, how can I say, no good anymore because it was getting in, it doesn't expand, it's only going in. So yeah, I was looking for a new one, but I don't have it. So that's the idea. I said before I will do 4 holes, but after measuring, the inner circle of this one is bigger than here, so I have a place where I can, you know, lift it up. So I'm gonna leave it like this, and voila, that's gonna be bam. Okay, but now I need to order the clip here, safety clip. So voila, let's put this one now, this one into the engine, or try to. And let's see. so I needed to make this little spacer to hold everything in place, so I can put this one here like this. Let's see if... No, it will not work. I need to put a ring. Wait. So now it's better. Let's see. Now, tick, up. There we go. Yes, so that's what I want. Now I'm gonna mark this one and this one in place, and voila. Yes, let's go. People, that one is done too, so voila. Yes, I had both the same, but the thread on this one did broke, and then I needed to take a longer one so I could to try to see if I can go deeper into the thread, and voila, you see, here is it. But yeah, now it's good to go. I put fluid gasket, you can see it there. So now I'm gonna leave it just like this, and yeah, that's at least everything that I can do on this video. So yeah. Right now, I needed to literally bend this one, but when I tried to bend it, of course, it just cracked. I'm gonna show it now, but okay, I have this one goes in here like this, and now has a space, okay, so the damp can go there, so that's good, the muffler I mean. But until now it was touching the frame here, and this one was going somewhere here, so I needed to bend it this way, and yeah, so let's give it a point, and take it out, weld it, paint it again, put it back, and then I can start to build this cover. Then the other I can put the seat to, and the only left to do later on is to repair the gas tank, put a kill switch, okay, carburetor, and this one. And on the tires I need to make a little cover here, and of course once I find this I will make the cables. Yes. So as you saw, I just repaint all the exhaust, the little exhaust. I painted gray metal gun. Why? Because I didn't have black. As simple as that. And because anyway it looked good. And I wanted to have it black, but I saw already, even though I did 2 layers, it didn't get through and through. I don't know how to explain. Like, I could see a few spots. So I just decided to, now that I weld that place, that spot, then I thought like, okay, let's paint it gray metal gun, and it looks so nice. I thought like, maybe it doesn't look good, but hey, anyways, it's a dirt bike, a little one. So, but it looks nice because it's a gray one and everything on the bike is gray, so it's good. It's nice. I like it. So yeah, let's do the little cups for the wheels. Make both of them, and then maybe I can build the tires on the bike. That would be nice. And then let's see. running again, hopefully. See you next time.
Say we shouldn't, but you know we always will. The hollers catch me if you can, runs up over the hill.